Fashion Rebels. So today I'm coming to you guys with a product review, and I'm super excited about this because it's a black owner. She's an African American female, and I reached out to her because I was interested in her products, and she reached back to me, and we decided to do an actual collab. So this video is going to be a product review unboxing. I'm going to do two videos. Part one, which is this video, is going to be unboxing. The second video is going to be of me actually using the product on my hair, because I want to kind of go in detail with this product and what it's about and everything, because I feel honored to actually be doing, you know, a collab with this young lady, because when I reached out, she was so professional. She was humble as well, and me being a small YouTuber, it's hard to find, you know, brands that are actually willing to work with you. So I'm super excited about this, and I want to make sure I represent her well. So I'm going to start with her actual her brand name, and the brand name is All Natural Kinks, and her name is AJ Watkins, and she's the CEO and the founder of All Natural Kinks. Also, this is what she looks like here. She's gorgeous, by the way. You see, y'all see that? Beautiful, gorgeous, and she's actually humble as well. So yeah. And if you guys go on her website, it's allnaturals.com. I think she got like /shop. I'm going to link her website down below as well. And you can go on her website and check out, you know, everything all about her. Hopefully you guys can see this, that she has a whole like bio and everything about her. And a little about her, I can read some of this stuff. She says she's been natural for about 20 years. Her excitement and fascination for natural hair care started in 2007. And basically, I guess her passion was behind believing, you know, that myth about black girls can't grow long hair or whatever. That kind of was her drive and passion behind starting her hair care product line. She spent 9 years experimenting with different products, and also in 2017 is when she actually produced and let's see. She actually produced her product line, and also her product is handmade. It's 100% natural ingredients, and yeah, she just really inspired me as well, because like I said, I want to do start my own hair care line, you know, one day in the future. And I'm going to go to her Instagram as well, and I want to read a couple of things from her Instagram bio. This is how her Instagram, oh, y'all can see this. Oh, it's not really a good camera. Can't really see too much. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. If not, I'm gonna link everything down below anyway. So, but in her natural, her Instagram is All Natural Kinks as well, and she's all about health and beauty, and she's about providing the blueprint to grow long natural hair. She has handmade products with natural ingredients, which I already said, that help stimulate hair growth. So that's basically what her natural hair care line is all about, and what she represents as well. She was featured in Essence, her brand was featured in Essence. She has Los Angeles, California on here, so I'm guessing that's where she's from. And yeah, you guys, just go check her out. I'm gonna link everything down below, her Instagram and her website to go shop. She has a YouTube page as well, so I'm gonna or channel, and I'm gonna link that below as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing video, because I wanted to basically give you guys, you know, the rundown, you know, about her. This only, you know, give credit when it's due, because she was super humble about everything. So yeah. So I have my box, and also when I reached out to her, she actually she got the product out pretty fast as well. It wasn't like a long wait or anything like that. I actually got the product within like two or 3 days, and I wasn't waiting for a long time. So she made sure she got everything. She's really organized with everything, and I like that she's organized and very professional when it comes down to that. So anyway, this is how the box looks. She has her little logo on here. You know, all natural kinks, and it says grow long natural hair, and also she has a website on there as well. So yeah, and it comes in this little box here. I got my, you know, address on top. I'm gonna show y'all that, but yeah. So I'm gonna be unboxing this thing, and she puts the, you know, fragile thing on it as well, handle with care, so she makes sure her products, you know, does not get damaged. Y'all know how post offices can be, and shipping and all that stuff. So yeah, y'all, I'm super excited to bring this video to y'all. That's why I'm gonna do two-part video for this, because I want to make sure, you know, I get all the details going on. I think I'm more excited about boxing than anything else, unboxing than anything else, because I'm just excited to see what she has. So this is how it looks when you first open it. Oh, it's cute. First thing I see is purple. So good on the color choice of purple for your line, because purple is beautiful. My favorite color is like in between, like I would say like a baby blue or like a like turquoise. I'm in between both blues, and my second favorite color is purple. So you got me sold on the color. That's purple is beautiful. So cute. Got the bubble wrap here. Okay, I have a little note. Right here, y'all. Has my name on there. It says The Beautiful Takia, which is my name, and she actually got my, you know, name spelled correctly too. So good on detail. And the note reads, Takia, I am so honored to have you try these all natural Kinks products. You are truly the perfect hair candidate. I'm looking forward to seeing your review. Please enjoy the additional goodies in this package. AJ Watkins, CEO of All Natural Kinks. All right. Yeah. Just need the directions on there. That's number one. That's key. This is how this box looks. This is the actual products right here. And I requested to try the kit. She has kits, you guys, online for like certain hair types or certain you know, there's certain hair types. But yeah, I had got the moisturized Kinks growth kit with a jojoba oil boost. And online, if you go to it, it says for like curly hair. I think she has one that says for curly hair and for like, let me read all this so I won't make a mistake by telling y'all the wrong information. That's not good. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so if you go back to the website, and it tells you the kits or whatever. So yeah, and whenever you go, it's not cool. They say cool, yeah, for kinky or coarse hair. So I want to make sure I represent her well. Baby girl got a bonnet. Like, I'm super excited to open this. This is like Christmas. Like, this is really like Christmas all over again. This is how it looks, y'all. Has a nice floral pattern. Got my southern accent going on. This is a nice floral pattern here, you guys. Yeah, this is cute. You get an A+ for this. Like, if all hair care products came with satin bonnets, bruh, it's hard to find a bonnet. And this is really stretchy and it's big. Like, you have a lot of rooms for, like, if you do twists or whatever, you can leave your twist hanging in the bonnet. You can't find a lot of bonnets that are this size, because certain bonnets, like one I got now, it's kind of small. It does the job, but when I do twists, they end up bunching up because the bonnet doesn't have any room for, like, the braids, twist out, whatever, to hang freely in here. So I don't know if I should try this on now. Excited about that. I'm super excited, you guys. And yeah, y'all, I'm a southern girl. I'm a southern belle, so y'all can't bash me by trying to be having a southern accent, because I have one, but I can go real deep. I can have a thick accent if I want to. But yeah, y'all. What y'all think about this? Like, pull up a little bit. And I like how tight fitting. It's not too tight and it's really comfortable. I like how it's fitting, like right here, because some bonnets, like the little band or whatever, it ends up slipping off. Like, sometimes my edges are, coming out of the freaking bonnet, and I'm like, I'm steady like pulling it down, and it's like annoying. So yeah, y'all, I'm sure y'all the back. I didn't plan on getting up, guys. Watch this video thoroughly. And like, comment, and subscribe about this video. I'm gonna link everything in both videos, and make sure y'all watch part 2 of this video, because I'm gonna be actually applying the product to my hair. I'm super excited about that too, but I wanted to do this video separately. But yeah, guys, also shout out to my girl AJ Watkins. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and being so humble as you were. And yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you even more in the future. Also, I'm going to be actually, you know what, you guys, I kind of messed up a little bit. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm telling y'all. So I almost forgot about this right here that I got too. I requested this this little side piece right here, like this little side sample, because I seen she got it's shea butter hair sealant, and I totally forgot about it. I'm super sorry, you guys. I forgot about this extra thing I requested. I'm gonna show you how this look in the next video. I'm gonna open this up in the next video when I actually use it, because I think I'm gonna choose between this one, because this is an oil, and then this one to use on top of my leave-in conditioner. So I might end up using this one, or I'm gonna try to figure out how can I use both. Hey, you guys, I'm super excited. Yes, you guys, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you guys go watch the video as well, and stay tuned. You guys, I'm super excited about this. Toodles, peace.